Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my video class. We are already studied one statement in last class. That statement is angle in a semicircle is right. A question, a angle made by a line joining the end of a diameter to a point inside the circle is more than 90. Therefore, you are already studying in previous class or last class, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, using that statement and prove this question. How to prove? Here one question is given, angle inside the circle is more than 90. Therefore, draw a circle, mark O is the center and AB is a diameter. Therefore, let O is a center, AB is a diameter, mark a point P inside the circle. One, mark a point inside the circle. Then join AP and BP. Join AP and BP to form a triangle. Want to prove this angle more than 90. Therefore, prove that angle APB is more than 90 degree. Then want to construction, join AQ or AP extended to Q. Q is a point on the circle. Here AP extended meet at the circle at Q. Join BQ. Therefore, want to by construction join AQ and BQ. Therefore, angle AQB and AQB 90 degree. You are study the statement, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Using that statement, this statement is very important, want to study then very carefully. Then angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Then want to prove angle APB. APB is more than 90. Therefore, this angle is the exterior angle. Here one triangle is considered PQB. One triangle PQB. This is a external line. Therefore, this angle is called a exterior angle. One triangle is drawing. That time one side is extended. That time here one angle formed. That angle is exterior angle. These three angles are interior angle. Therefore, exterior adjacent interior angle. This is the adjacent interior angle. These two angles are adjacent opposite interior angle or remote interior angle. Remote or opposite. Here this is the exterior angle. These two angles are interior opposite angle. You are studying in lower class. Exterior angle is the sum of interior opposite angle. Here what is the exterior angle? In the figure, exterior angle is APB is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. These two angles are interior opposite angle. What is the name? PQB and PBQ are two interior opposite angle. Therefore, write that angle APB equal to angle PQB plus angle BPQ. But you are already proved 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Therefore, write 90 plus PBQ. Therefore, 90 plus some measure. Therefore, it is more than 90. Therefore, angle APB is more than 90. A point inside the circle, P is inside the circle, the angle made by the join the end of the diameter is always more than 90. എന്താണ് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മനസ്സിലായത്? പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ആണെങ്കിൽ ആ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഇൻസൈഡ് ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ആംഗിൾ മോർ ദാൻ 90 ആണ്, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? ഇതിൻ്റെ ലൈൻ എക്സ്റ്റെൻഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ച സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ സർക്കിളിലെ പോയിന്റ് ആയിട്ട് വരണം. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആയിരിക്കും ഫോം ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ. സെമി സർക്കിളിലെ ആംഗിൾ 90 ഡിഗ്രി ആണെന്നുള്ള സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഇതും ഈ ആംഗിളും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ ഒരു ട്രയാങ്കിളിന്റെ എക്സ്റ്റീരിയർ ആംഗിൾ ആണ് ഇതെങ്കിൽ, എക്സ്റ്റീരിയർ ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ സം ഓഫ് ഇന്റീരിയർ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ആണ്. അത് രണ്ടും കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പം ആ ആംഗിളിന് പി ക്യു ബിക്ക് 90 ഡിഗ്രി എന്നും കൊടുക്കാം, ബി പി ക്യു എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതുപോലെ എഴുതാം. അപ്പം ആംഗിൾ എ പി ബി എന്തായിരിക്കണം? 90നേക്കാൾ മോറാവും. ഇപ്പം 90നേക്കാൾ മോർ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് എ പി ബി ഈസ് മോർ ദാൻ 90, അവർ ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ. ഇതാണ് ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മൾ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്തത്. ക്ലിയർ ആയി ഉണ്ടാവും എന്ന് വിചാരിക്കും. That angle made by line joining the end of a diameter to a point outside the circle is less than 90. A point marked at the outside. Draw a line, join the end of the diameter. Make an angle is less than 90 degree. Same manner, you are already studying angle made by the line join the end of the diameter to point inside the circle is more than 90. Point on the circle is 90 degree. Then now want to prove outside the angle triangle circle is less than 90 degree. First, same manner, O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter, join AP, BP. Write that. O is the center. AB is a diameter. Mark a point P outside the circle. Join AP and BP. Therefore, that angle, prove that angle APB is less than 90. Therefore, want to construction, any proof, you want to construct anything, here already AQ joined, then BQ also joined using dotted line. BQ join BQ, therefore write join BQ. Therefore, one triangle ABQ. This Q is on the circle. A point on the circle, angle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Use that statement. AQB is 90 degree. Therefore, that one to write. Angle AQB equal to 90 degree. What is the reason? Join the end of the diameter. Therefore, in a semicircle, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90. Therefore, angle AQB 90 degree. Then you are already studying exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This is the exterior angle of this triangle. Therefore, angle AQB equal to angle BPQ plus next interior opposite angle BPQ, right? AQB exterior angle equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. Sum of interior opposite angle. What are the interior opposite angle? BPQ plus BPQ. BPQ, PBQ. Sum of interior opposite angle. Want to prove, what is want to prove? Prove that APB, what is APB? APB. This angle is equal to, therefore, that angle is BPQ equal to angle AQB, right first. This angle bring to LHS side and minus, plus is bring to LHS side, therefore minus angle PBQ. Therefore, you already know angle AQB is an angle in a semicircle, therefore 90 minus one angle, anything, sometimes 10 degree or therefore 90 minus something, therefore this measurement is less than 90. Therefore, APB is less than 90. Therefore, angle made by the joining the end of the diameter to the outside the circle is always less than 90. Using these three statements, want to do some more questions. Therefore, angle in a semicircle is 90. First statement, angle made outside the circle is more than 90. Angle made inside the circle is more than 90. Outside the circle is less than 90. Inside the circle is more than 90. Three statements want to study. One is angle in a semicircle is 90. Angle made by the line join the end of the diameter is outside the circle is always less than 90. The line join the end of the diameter to the point inside the circle is more than 90. These three statements using and do some more problems.